We're going to show you how to install Viber and create an account on your Android device. Viber is a fantastic messaging app that allows you to connect with friends and family through texts, calls, and more, all for free. Ready? Let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. This is where you'll download the Viber app. In order to install an app on your Android phone, you need to be logged in with a Google account. It is possible that you have not added an account on your Google Play Store. If you get to this screen, then it means you need to log into a Google account. If that is the case, we will guide you on how to create or log in to your Google account. If you are already logged on to your account, skip this step by clicking the timestamp from the description of the video. Tap on Sign In. It is possible to be asked the PIN number or the fingerprint to continue to the next step. Follow the on-screen instructions. Now we reached another screen that gives us two possibilities. One is to use a Google account that we already have, or another option is to create a new account. We will talk about every option. Let's see how we can log into an account we already have. Type your email address or phone number associated with your Google account and tap Next. Enter your password and tap Next. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete the verification process. On this step, select the proper access. Use this device for you or for a child and tap Next. Review and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy to complete the sign-in process. Tap I agree. You can disable the backup if you do not need it on this page, but I suggest to leave it on. Now, tap on More and then Accept. Now tap on Get Started. You can verify your purchases by using biometrics or using your password. If you want to be faster, I suggest using your biometrics, but you can choose what you want. You can now install any app from the Google Play Store. But what if you do not have an account on the Google Play Store? How can you install apps? You need to create an account. Do not worry, it's fast and easy. Let's reset to the screen where we needed to log in to show you how you can create a Google account. Tap on Create Account. When you make a Google account, you are presented with the option to choose the type of account that best suits your needs. Let's take a closer look at each type of account. Personal account. This is the most common type of Google account and is designed for individual users. A personal account provides access to a wide range of Google services such as Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, YouTube, and more. It allows you to manage your personal emails, files, and online activities, as well as customize your account settings and preferences. Account for your child. Google provides a specialized type of account designed for children under the age of 13, known as a Google account for kids or Family Link. This account is created and managed by a parent or guardian who has their own Google account. With a child account, parents can set up parental controls, manage content restrictions, monitor activity, and approve app downloads. It allows children to access age-appropriate Google services and gradually gain independence online while ensuring a safer digital environment. For work or My Business. Formerly known as G Suite, a business account is tailored for organizations, businesses, and educational institutions. It provides a comprehensive suite of productivity and collaboration tools, including Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and more. When choosing the account type, it's important to select the one that aligns with your specific requirements. A personal account is suitable for individual use, while a child account offers parental controls for younger users. Business accounts provide a robust set of tools for professional purposes, facilitating communication and productivity within organizations. We will select a personal use account as that will do the majority of you. Once you're on the Google account creation page, you'll need to provide some personal information. Start by entering your first and last name in the designated fields. Tap Next. Select your birthday and gender and tap Next. You can create a Gmail account or use your email address. If you use your email address, you will be getting an extra step to verify the email. You will receive an email with a verification code that you will need to provide to Google so they can verify you are actually the owner of that email address. Because it is easier and it does not cost anything, I will select to create a new Gmail address. Next, it's time to choose a username and password for your Google account. Your username will be your Gmail email address, so pick a unique and memorable one. If your desired username is unavailable, you'll be prompted to choose an alternative. Also, you can tap on Create Your Own Gmail Address and pick a custom username. After you are pleased with the username, tap on Next. Take a moment to think of a strong password, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This will help secure your account. Then tap Next. It's important to add recovery information to your Google account. This includes providing a recovery phone number and an alternate email address. In case you forget your password or need to recover your account, Google will use this information to help you regain access. Make sure the phone number and email address you enter are valid and accessible to you. I will skip this step. Tap Next to confirm your new email address. On these steps, you can personalize some settings. I will use the first option as I do not wish to go on every step and make this a very long video. You can choose whatever you would like on this part. Now you will have to confirm settings and cookies. Scroll down and tap on Accept All or Reject All. Scroll down and tap on Confirm. Scroll down and tap on I agree. You can disable the backup if you do not need it on this page, but I suggest to leave it on. Now tap on More and then Accept. You need to accept the terms of service for the Google Play Store. Tap Accept. Now tap on Get Started. You can tap here whatever you want. You can now install any app from the Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom. Search for Viber in the search bar at the top of the screen. Once the results load, tap on the first option that says Rakuten Viber Messenger. You'll recognize it by its purple logo with a white phone icon. Next, tap on the Install button. The app will start downloading, and depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. It can ask also for your password for your Google account, your phone password, or your fingerprint. Just follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate yourself. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Viber. Now, let's create your Viber account. The app will ask you for some permissions. First, the app will ask you the permission to send you notifications. This is a very important permission. If you do not allow this, you will not see any notification when somebody will send you a message. So I suggest to tap on Allow. Now tap on Start Now. Viber will ask for your phone number. Enter your number and tap Continue. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to verify your number. Tap Continue. Also, the app will ask for some permissions. Tap Allow for all 3 permissions. These permissions are critical for the Viber app. Viber will send a verification code to your phone via SMS, or it will call you from an unknown number. If you receive the message, just open the message, copy the code, and return to the Viber app to enter it. If Viber detects the code automatically, it will proceed without you needing to type it in. Now, it's time to set up your profile. Add your name and a profile picture, if you'd like. This is how your friends will recognize you on Viber. You need also to add the date of birth. When you're done, tap the button from the bottom. Viber can ask you the permission to use your location. You can allow this or deny it. This is not critical for Viber. Now Viber will also ask you the permission to record video. Allow this. Viber needs permission to access your device's storage for saving and sharing media files, such as photos, videos, and audio messages. This ensures that you can send and receive multimedia content with ease and store them on your device. So I suggest to allow this. Viber will ask you to agree to control what you see. Tap what you normally agree to when you install an app. You can now activate a new option called Caller ID. This will allow you to identify spam callers and also see the info from a person who you do not have in the contacts. I suggest enabling these options. So tap on Turn On now. Tap Grant Permissions. Find the Viber app on this list and tap it. Toggle the option Allow Display over other apps on. Now go back to the Viber app. You will see that the app is installed. And that's it. Now you're ready to enjoy seamless communication with Viber. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.